Hi, I'm Shira with Tiny Talkers. I want to teach you my favorite train song. Take two fingers like this, that's the track, and two fingers like this, that's the train, and just go up and down the track. That's how we sign train. And this train is a red train. So for red, you're just going to take your index finger and just touch near your lips or near your chin, right there. Red. All right, and the train has, what makes it move? Wheels. So we sign wheels like this, just like that. And the wheels go rolling along. So you're going to take your wheels and move your fingers closer and roll them along. All right, now there's an engine in front. So for front, you're going to take your hands like this and you're going to move them forward. There's an engine in front and a caboose in the back. Like that. That's how we sign back. Front, back. And the little train goes to the top of the hill. That's how we sign hill. So show that train going to the top of the hill. It goes very slow. So you take your hands and sign slow by doing this very slowly. And it gets to a stop. So one hand stops the other hand, okay? So that is sign language for all the things that we're going to sign in the song. I'm not going to sign every single word. I tend not to do that when I'm signing with my littlest friends, but I'm just choosing some key words to sign in this cute little song. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Here's the little train song. There's a little red train going down the tracks. Look at those wheels go clickety-clack, and the train wheels are rolling. Rolling, 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 and the train wheels are rolling. Rolling right along. There's an engine in front, a caboose in the back. Look at those wheels go clickety-clack, and the train wheels are rolling. Rolling, 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 and the train wheels are rolling. Rolling right along. The little red train goes to the top of the hill. It goes very slow, but it gets there still. It gets to the stop and it goes back down. Look at those wheels go around and around, and the train wheels are rolling. Rolling, 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 and the train wheels are rolling. Rolling right along. Wasn't that a fun song about the little red train going to the top of the hill? Yeah, it's great to learn some sign language and put it to some songs and learn some new things, right? All right, well, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon.